So in this video, we're going to look at the intercept tool. Intercept tool is employed when you want to find more like a common intercepting boundary. Maybe you normally use it to find overlaps on the overshoots and all that. So in a polygon, so I think that's the vital information I can get of that. Basically, maybe I can say maybe you want to use it to check for errors in your data. So you want to find intercept now from statistics, from mathematics. They teach us union, intercept, and all that. So it's still the same principle applied here. So we have three of these angles. You can see that they are intercepting. Now the software will be able to tell us where is intercepting here by the time we are done with it. So the intercept tool is found in geoprocessing, and under geoprocessing you go down to intercept. So we're going to bring in these three, and that's all right. So I'm not going to change any output since it's just an example I'm showing. Or let's take it to our GIS folder. So we call it intercept. And when I spell it correctly, it's correct. So and then I'm going to click on OK. So it's done. So you can see that there is an intercept here. So that is the work of this intercept tool. It's just to help you identify basically overlap on the polygon, especially when you're using administrative boundaries and all that. If there are errors in it, there's an overlap here, so it will intercept. Right? So this is what the intercept tool is used for, and I believe there are so many other functions this tool can serve, but depend on what you're working on. So this is just like a stepping stones for you to build on. Alright, so thank you for watching today's video. I will see you in the next class.